Hello viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are unboxing and exploring the KIRAY 300 infrared thermometer from Sauermann Group. This powerful device is perfect for accurate temperature measurements. Let's dive in and see what's inside. First, we unveil the sleek hard box with KIRAY 300 emblazoned on it from the carton. The packaging is elegant and sturdy, providing a premium feel. First, we have the comprehensive user manual. This detailed guide walks you through every aspect of using the KIRAY 300, with step-by-step instructions. Next, we have the 9V battery, essential for powering the KIRAY 300. Then, we come to the K-type thermocouple probe. This precision probe is perfect for measuring temperatures in hard-to-reach places. Finally, we have the flexible stand. Here is the KIRAY 300. You can see the model name clearly displayed. The screen is a backlit LCD, which shows temperature readings in large digits. Notice the dual laser sighting. This helps you aim accurately at your target. To access the battery compartment, press this button here, and it opens up easily. Once open, simply place the 9V battery inside the compartment and close it back up. This quick and straightforward process ensures your KIRAY 300 is ready for use. Let's power on the device by pressing the trigger. The screen lights up immediately, ready to take measurements. I am testing the laser light on my hand. You can see the light clearly. Now, I'll turn it off. And it's gone. This ensures you aim accurately at your target. The KIRAY 300 has different modes, including maximum, minimum, and average temperature readings. You can cycle through these modes using the buttons here. Let's turn on the maximum mode by pressing the mode button. The display changes to show the maximum temperature reading, ideal for quickly identifying peak temperatures. Now, let's check the temperature of our AC unit. Simply aim the laser at the target, and you'll see the temperature reading appear on the screen instantly. This quick and accurate measurement makes it easy to monitor the temperature of various surfaces with precision. The screen will automatically turn off after a few seconds of inactivity, preserving battery life. Let's connect the K probe. Simply plug it into the device, and it's immediately ready to measure temperatures in hard-to-reach areas. This probe is perfect for obtaining more detailed and accurate readings, especially in environments where precision is crucial. Finally, let's set up the KIRAY 300 on the flexible stand. This sturdy and adjustable stand allows for hands-free operation, making it even more convenient to use in various settings. Whether you're in a lab or out in the field, the stand ensures stability and ease of use for consistent and accurate measurements. That's it for today's unboxing and demonstration of the KIRAY 300 infrared thermometer. For more information and to get your own, visit our website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching.